Mama, another day at the shore. What do you think, huh? What do you think, Mama? Been another day at the shore? Shout out to Jeff. Jeff Fasto. I can't say your last name. Anyway, thanks for the cat food for our Seaside Heights Animal Welfare Group. Thank you, Jeff, for sending us bringing us the cat food by the other day. Really appreciate it. If you watch my videos, not sure if you watch my videos, huh? But if you do, I'm giving you a shout out anyway. Thanks, Jeff, again, for the cat food. Hey, Seaside Heights. We got some cats here in the trailer. We went and trapped a few cats, not on the boardwalk, but in town. And anyway, we'll show you these cats. Alright, and this first one I'll show you. Is this one Spike? I believe this one's name is Spike. Huh? Spike is not a friendly guy. He's not a happy camper. No friendly, are you, Spike, huh? And we got another one, or they're females. They're all females, as a matter of fact. And then we had another one. They trapped. I wasn't here, but they trapped a Monday and released it. I guess today or yesterday. Yeah, today I guess they released it. So, but now we have another one here, and this one's called Nosy. And the air conditioner kicked on. I don't know if I can see you, but you're nosy. What's your gray cats? A little hard to see, and I don't want to stick my hand in there too close. Now we introduced to you Tangle, who got tangled up in the mason line last Saturday it was. So here's Tangle. And Tangle is friendly. Tangle, you have to do something. Alright, get out, get my beach chair, sit on the beach. 5 minutes later, starts raining. Had to come in. It's raining right now, so we don't know what kind of video we're going to get up from here on in. But hey, let's walk around the town of Seaside Heights in Seaside Park and have a little fun today, even though it is raining. Rainy day in Seaside today. That's right, it's raining out here and it's killing business for everybody. It's just throwing the businesses right down the tubes here because it's really horrible with this rain. It's scaring all the people away. Trying a little fun, a little claw machine fun, and Sonny and Rickeys.
and yet another choice winner. No more bets this time. How about Doc and the Diamond Dad? Summer system.
I want to wear your sunglasses. Let me get your sunglasses. Come on. Let me get your pink sunglasses. Come on. Let me wear them for one song. I'll give them back.
Concert there at Seaside Park. We'll come back to that maybe. We'll come back. Hey, it's Fireworks Wednesday. Hang around for Fireworks Wednesday. We didn't make it back to the concert, but we made it to the fireworks. Now we're gonna see fireworks. A few minutes from the fireworks. What do you think? A few minutes from
We're gonna go see the fireworks.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
She doesn't care.
Fireworks Wednesday. Don't miss it. Every Wednesday it's fireworks right here in Seaside Heights. Every Wednesday all summer long. And it's fireworks every Wednesday. How many more times am I going to say fireworks every Wednesday? Every week I'm going to say it. Hey, don't worry folks, next week we'll get more fireworks going. Weather permitting.
Hi Ron.
Hey, what are you doing behind me?
The whole world's going to see.
Oh my goodness.
Seaside Heights 2013. Hooray!
Nice to see you.
Hey, what an exciting day. Hey, thanks to Karen, Ashley, Ted, and Dee for appearing in my video. Thanks for stopping by and wanting to be in my video. Or me forcing you to be in my video. Anyway, hey, thanks everybody. Thanks for watching. Thanks again to Jeff for his generous donation. See ya over the weekend? I don't know.